So this one time, man, it was like right after Christmas and stuff. December 26th to be exact. Also known as Boxing Day or the first day of Kwanzaa. So my nub and I, we just came out of a hot cocoa store. Cause we both enjoy that nice toasty beverage. And then my nub said to me, "Hey Florence, we should totally make a snowman and see if it comes to life like in your Frosty cartoon, man." So then I was like, "Why are you so good at thinking of ideas, man? You just like read my diary or something, man, cause that's a big dream of mine." And then my nub said, "I just know you so well, man." So then we stumbled upon this dirty bum who was laying down in the gutter, man. He had on a tattered old top hat that we thought would be good to bring our snowman to life, man. So we took that top hat, man, and placed it atop our snowman's cabeza. That's Spanish for head. And then our snowman magically came to life. So then we frolicked and played with the snowman like the happy little children in that cartoon. So then we decided to go flaunt it in front of the crossing guard, man. Like in the cartoon, man. And the crossing guard swallowed his whistle, like in the cartoon, man. But instead of blowing the whistle, he started choking and sputtering, man. So then I started freaking out, man. I was like, "Oh my god, does anyone know the Heimlich maneuver?" And then my nub said, "I know the Heimlich maneuver, man." So then my nub started performing the Heimlich maneuver, and he spat out the whistle, man. But the crossing guard was unconscious, man. He was unconscious. And I turned to the snowman and say, "Snowman, this man needs CPR. Do you know CPR, man?" And the snowman says, "Well, dude, I was just alive for a few hours. I don't even know what that is." So then my nub said, "Get out of my way, guys. I know CPR." And sure enough, my nub knows CPR. He performed CPR on that crossing guard for 2 straight minutes and brought that man back to life, man. Afterwards, man, the crazy old bum just came out of nowhere and said, "You whippersnappers took my hat. I shall be revenged." So then my nub threw the whistle that was previously in the gullet of the crossing guard down the throat of the crazy bum man. But instead of doing CPR, we just left him there, man. So then me, the nub, and the snowman guy, we went back to our place to sit in front of the fire and drink hot cocoa. Then the snowman just left. He just left, man, and he had spilled his water everywhere, man, and left his hat behind. That's so inconsiderate, man.